Hi, today we are going to introduce a new wireless display receiver, MiraScreen G2S. Here is how to set up MiraScreen G2S and connect it to TV. Download EZMira app for a better screen mirroring experience. Please connect your smartphone to MiraScreen's Wi-Fi SSID and password, shown on the home menu. Then open EZMira app to connect MiraScreen to internet. To keep your MiraScreen up to date, go to Settings and choose Upgrade. You don't have to switch modes when screen mirroring from different devices to MiraScreen. Take Samsung S10 as an example. You only need to press Smart View and choose your dongle. If you want to switch to iPhone XS, just press Screen Mirroring and choose your dongle. You can also use Google Home to cast your Android phone. Download Google Home app, go into your account, and press Mirror Devices. Choose MiraScreen and see the screen of my phone is cast on TV. Just open the EZMira app and click Connect, and choose MiraScreen to cast. Use Smart View or Miracast from Android to MiraScreen to watch Netflix perfectly. MiraScreen also supports AirPlay screen mirroring from iPhones. Download EZMira app to screencast from your laptop to TV. EZMira supports Windows 10 and Windows 7. Windows native Miracast feature also works with MiraScreen to screen mirror the whole screen. Or use AirPlay to mirror the whole screen. If you like this video, please drop us a like and subscribe for more MiraScreen tutorials.